Hi there, I'm Victoria Miguel Joseph. Welcome to Dreams Never Die TV. Today we're going to talk about goals. When I was preparing to write When Never Comes Again, I had several goals. I had long-term goals, mid-term goals, short-term goals. Basically, writing When Never Comes Again was almost as if it wasn't forced on me. That's probably the wrong term. However, the circumstances under which I began to write very passionately and incessantly was as a result of my brother's murder. So, When Never Comes Again, of course, is a novel. It's fiction. I talked about this in my first video, but it was inspired by true events. So I started writing down things in notebooks and pieces of paper just as therapy. So the book kind of came together on its own. I had all these pieces, and it was like a puzzle, and I had to make sure that I put it together and put it together in the right and appropriate order so that the book would flow. So when you know you want to write a novel, okay, whether it's, write a book, whether it's fiction or nonfiction, if you know you want to write a book, the first thing you should do is basically write your long-term, mid-term, short-term goals. What is it that you want to accomplish and when? Okay. Then the next step after you have your goals, of course, you have to make sure that you have the tools as well as the knowledge. So next time we meet, that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about the tools and the knowledge that it takes to do a book and to do it well. So for now, I'm going to end our Volume 3 video chat. Thank you for joining me at Dreams Never Die TV. Remember that it takes perseverance, it takes belief, and it takes big dreams. Thank you. I'm Victoria Miguel Joseph. Have a great day.